I'm going brag, bitch bad and her ass fat. Ass mad I did a dash. She gon' spit on that dick like splat. Thought her ass get hit with his back. Like baseball, my nigga on that. Ain't nobody gon' play with my racks. Give you answers around my neck. Bitch bad and her ass fat. Like baseball, my nigga on that. Ain't nobody gon' play with my racks. Give you answers around my neck. Bitch bad and her ass fat.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Dreamer Drea here, back at again with another video. And today's video is a Thanksgiving look or fall holiday look. Thanksgiving is coming up this week, if you already know. Who's ready? I mean, come on now, we're all gonna get fat, like duh. I just did a nice little smoky eye. It's in a nice, we'll call this a cranberry color, because it is cranberry-ish. If you want to keep seeing me and see how I did this look, also what outfit I'm wearing, just keep watching. Hey guys, so we're just going to start off by priming the face. I use the Essence Beauty Mattifying Primer and the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day. Can't forget the brows. Hey there. Taking some concealer around my skin tone, I'm just covering up any blemishes. Come closer. Come. I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. From the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm just setting my lid with the shade Burnt Orange. If you guessed that I was using the Morphe 25L palette, then you guessed right. I'm just taking the shade Sexuality and putting it in my crease while blending it out. Take hashtag Love Wins and put that right on top and blend it out. Dip into Love Letter in Modern Renaissance and just pack that right on your lid. Pack Real Girl on top. Do the same with Red Ochre. Don't forget to go back and reblend. Alright bro, you can back up. Time for the face makeup. First we're going to start with foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation.
Then after we hit the club, baby, I'ma hit them draws. Yeah, I'ma break you off. And that's all. Every freak should have a...
I also mix in a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation for my more orange skin tone.
Wasters, busters, rich boy, silly, quick, niggas wanna check, shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac. Just bought a Cadillac.
Going back with that fawn concealer shade, I'm just going to fix up my eyeshadow as well as highlight under my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, and my chin.
Not a love. It's not a lot of love. It's a lot of love. Not a lot of love. Hey, not a lot of love. It's a lot of lust. Not a lot of love.
Down the wheels, can't explain how I feel. Touch a gator on the wheel, got peanut butter, ice cream, Peter Pan seats. Just got a fresh cut, now we're looking for the freaks. Take a red, yellow bitch, make her drop them jaws. I'ma show you how to ball, middle finger to the law. So fuck them niggas, what they wanna do, hating on the player, cause my legs skate.
Recently, I've been using the LA Girl Banana Powder to set under my eyes and everywhere else I put my concealer. It's not that bad, so you should go and try it. And it's also affordable.
Niggas wanna check, shit tight, no slick, just bought a
here, I'm just going back into all shades that I used on my lid to go on my bottom lid. For contour, I'm just going to use the Black Radiant in the shade Ebony pressed powder. Now I'm adding blush. Wipe off the excess powder with a finishing powder.
Get money, get money, get money. New money. Hey, rich boy silly quick folk niggas wanna check.
I swear my face is not that white. Like, it's making it look white on camera, but my face is not that white. Now I'm dipping into this sparkly shade in the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place and putting that in the inner corners of my eyes and also on the arch of my brows, just to highlight things. So the lashes that I'll be using in my look today is by Wild and Reckless, and they are the distressed pair. Unfortunately, these are out of stock, and I don't know if they'll be restocking this specific style soon, but I do know that they had some other really pretty styles on their website, so I'm gonna link them down below. I do have a coupon code that you can use, which is Drea. If you use it at checkout, you can get 10% off your next order. Now I'm just gonna put on my lashes. Big and bold, just like I like it. Now add mascara to your lashes, bottom and top. I decided to take a sponge and some brow pomade in a dark color just to make freckles. I thought it would be cute with the look, and well, it is. If you have a nose ring like me, don't forget to clean off the makeup from it. Taking Eclipse out of the Aurora palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm just going to highlight my upper cheekbones, my nose, my Cupid's bow, my chin, and also my temples. You can use a dark brown lip liner, but I didn't have one at the moment, so I just took some eyeshadow shades of 2 browns and mixed them together to line my lips. Filling your lips with the ColourPop Arabesque liquid lipstick. Put Wet n Wild lip gloss on top. This is the shade Bronze Berry. Y'all already know what it is. Gotta add my beauty marks. Spray to set. Finito.
Come this way, shawty, and just ride it, split that, divide it. Oh my, don't fight it, bro, that light is so hot. We flying, we fucking, it's Friday, the city is popping, it's only 10:35, and got the bitch bustin' right now, got the crew mobbing with me right now, told her, hey bitch, just pipe down, all these bulls get the money right now, and you know he got the bitch bustin' right now. With me right now. Told her, hey bitch, just pipe down. Got my main bitch with me and he know it's 10:35. It's October. Told her to come over. She said what you found, so I had to show her. I put in work, I got scratches.
Well, I'm done with my makeup, but this isn't gonna work. There we go. That's better.
I can't ignore it. That pussy is treasure, yeah. She like the way that I stretch it, yeah. It's real, baby, it get real. Just a young nigga trying to make it to the hills. Or maybe Miami chilling with Bryson and Neil. I can't wait for that moment to know how it feels. When everybody playing my songs. Put the niggas from my city right on. Got the shawty really feeling.
All right, and we are back. It is the end of the video, so you see how the look turned out. It looks really good. Also, the outfit is pretty cute. I did DIY this myself. I will be doing DIYs in the future. I know this is like an easy one that everybody does, but I will be doing like future DIYs and customs, so be ready for that. Also, these lashes are bomb. So I am currently working with a company called Wild and Reckless Lashes. I am the ambassador. I love them. These are in the style Distress. I am not for sure if it is still on the site or if they are going to be restocking these, but these ones, I love these. But they also have other really good looking lashes for affordable prices. But if it's not affordable enough for you, I have a coupon code. So if you use my code Drea at checkout, you can get 10% off your entire order. Go order your lashes today from them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Give it a nice little comment. If you are seeing this, comment cranberries. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications because you want to know when I'm about to upload, because it's about to be a fire video. Go follow my social media. I'm gonna have my Instagram right here, my Twitter right here, my Snapchat right here, and my SoundCloud just for good music. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I love doing it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I never play these niggas too safe. We caught 2 3s in May. All my niggas do not play. Remember when I was sad? Now I'm back and I got them bags. Niggas looking at me mad. Give a fuck, boy, I'm gon' brag. Bitch bad and her ass fat. Ass mad, I did a dash. She was spit on that dick like splat. Thought her ass get hit with his back. Like baseball, my nigga.